So first we will talk about how to prepare the catalog for loading into MATLAB, and then how to load it into MATLAB, and how to finally get to the magnitude versus frequency plot. So I will also explain about the errors which I got while preparing my catalog and which others are also facing. First, while opening, don't directly enter ZMAP and press enter, it won't open. Yes, so it won't open like this. So first select the file location of ZMAP. So in my case it is here. In your case you find out where you have stored your ZMAP. So in that you open it. So in my case it is stored here. You have to know where you have stored your ZMAP. So here is my ZMAP. I'll click OK. So here I got. So once I have stored it here, next time it will be saved in this. So now it will open when you type ZMAP and press enter. So this dialog box will appear. So the data import filters, you have to click on this and click on ASCII to column separated blanks or tabs. Then import your file. So we will import the file which is having error to show. So this was the error which everyone is getting. So yeah, this is the error. So how to fix this? We will talk about that. So first, when you have prepared the file, when you have copy pasted the data from internet, from the ISCEI catalog, you have collected the data of many events, you prepared a main database file. So this is the main database file. This is the main database file. Date, time and everything, it is here. So then what you need to do, everyone knows that we need to have 9 columns of date, time and depth, magnitude, and at last we are going to place time in hours, minutes and seconds. So now what we need to do is we need to first get the data into this format, okay. So we need to get the data into this format and make sure that you don't have this heading in the text file, don't have this heading and don't have the spaces in between the rows, don't have this space. You can copy this after filtering the data, means after getting the data separately, which you need to upload as a ASCII file, latitude, longitude, year, month, day, magnitude, depth, hour, minutes and seconds. This file you copy and paste in a text file. When you paste in a text file, the spaces which you are having in the columns, you remove those by pressing backspace. When you remove that spaces, it will have no spaces in between. Also you need to take care that there are some data which are having space bar like this, they are having extra space like this, or they are having extra space like this at the end of this minute second file. You can find out that thing by selecting like this, then you will get a blue line here. So what you need to do is click here and press backspace and clear that space. there are many when I was clearing this error, I was having many such spaces in my file. And after clearing this, you press Ctrl A, select everything, and press Ctrl C, copy everything, and get into the Excel sheet. Get into the Excel sheet and paste the data here. Paste this whole data here. Okay. So when you paste the data here, you can check for blank. You can check for blank cells left behind in this. Press Control. Don't press Control. Just select the whole data. Manually, you select the whole data. Select this data. After selecting it, then you click this, find and select, and you find blank spaces. If you don't have anything, you'll get this message, and if you have, then you when you find the blank space, you fill the data in it, or you delete that event. You delete that whole event if you don't have the data for that. I didn't had magnitude for one of the events, so I deleted that event. After clearing these two errors, what you can do is you can copy this, means you can copy this data into a text file again. Select the whole data and create a create a new file. Create a new file. So this is now, this data is not having extra space, and this data is not having any cell which is left empty. So now this might work probably. So let's save this and try it once. So I will save it on the desktop itself. So here is the file. Now let's check whether this file can be loaded. So now let's check whether will it load. So see, it's loading. It's loading now without any problem after clearing out the empty cells and the extra space which was given. So after clearing this, you can do the further work, which is like this. Click on Z tools. Then select your desired area. I am selecting the whole graph in this. You can select your desired area and take the cursor away from the map and right click and you can save this file, but I don't want to save. You can save this as a figure in your in your desired folder. I won't save this. So next is you will get this another graph. So now what we need to do, we need to press select. Again you can select your desired area. Here to demonstrate I am selecting the whole graph. Again you get your cursor away from the image and right click. So this is the b value graph which you need. And so this was it.